Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy during these times. Scott and I are praying through this, but we do have good days and bad days, and I'm sure you all can relate. Yesterday I went to the grocery store and I was very grateful. I was able to find almost everything that I needed. I was gonna grab a few extra hand soaps because we're washing our hands so frequently and we are running out fast. I was just gonna grab them for convenience, but they were sold out. However, dish soap is readily available, and I do have a trick where I can refill the foaming hand soap containers with just dish soap and water and make my own hand soap. So I thought I'd share that with you guys today in case you're looking for some hand soap and you have dish soap on hand, or you can grab it at the store. They even sell dish soap at the Dollar Tree. So if you can't find it at a grocery store or Walmart, you can give that a try. Okay, so let's get started. Basically, I just start with the dish soap and I fill it up about 1/4 of an inch. And then I slowly pour in the water. I tilt it just a little bit so it doesn't foam up too much. But you do need to leave quite a bit of space for the part at the bottom of the foaming pump to be able to fit in there. So it looks like I still have a little bit more room, so I'll put some more water in there. Then just slowly tilt it back and forth to mix the dish soap and water. You don't want to vigorously shake it, and then you're basically done. Nice, so soft. So now I'll refill this container. So as you could probably tell, this one was just reused from Bath & Body Works. And then this one, I think I did grab it from Amazon, but you can also get them from Bed Bath & Beyond. And it's just a nicer decorative one that's glass. So again, just 1/4 of an inch of dish soap. And then slowly pour in the water. And be sure you leave room for the pump. So you can tell it still has a little space in there. And then again, just slowly tilt back and forth.
When I said we have some bad days, I just meant it's easy to get anxious during these uneasy times and let it get to us. But we do try to remember that God provides for our every need, and He knows our needs even before we do. I hope this video inspires you to wash your hands, make your own hand soap, and do whatever it takes to stay healthy, keep your family and friends healthy, and your neighbors too. My t-shirt is from Calling Creations. Our friends the Callings get their whole family involved in designing t-shirts, hand-making hair accessories, and high-quality leather creations, all to go towards their mission trips. If you want to check it out, you can go to the Instagram account Calling Creations, and I'll have that link below in the description box as well. Stay healthy, y'all, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!